Okay, so we're putting a new headlight in a Camry, new headlight bulb. I pulled the old one out, looked at the number, and this 9006 is the number that comes up on the web. Okay. Of course, it has to be the coldest day of the year. Here's the hood right here. Then there's a little catch right here that lifts it up. And these are easy. This is just a plastic case here. And then here's the connector I pulled the old bulb from. I ordered a 2-pack because when bulbs get old, they get dimmer, so I figured I might as well replace both of them. So these just snap in. One side has a little catch here. Little catch goes on this side here. You can see there's this little thing pressed down on it here, and that releases the catch. You don't need a tool or nothing, just press on it with your finger. Okay, and that's all there's to it. And then get it back in the hole and try not to break the wire. So all 3 edges on that bulb are the same. So it shouldn't matter how it goes in the hole. If you can see the hole. There's the hole right there. Okay. I should have paid more attention when I took it out. How it come out. The wire doesn't really want to bend. I should put the bulb in first. Put the bulb in first. That makes sense. Maybe not. So line up the 3 holes. Line up the 3 holes right here. And then the bulb, the output on the bulb points down. You see it right there, it points down. Line up the 3 catches on the bulb, and then twist it just a little bit, like maybe quarter turn, half a turn, or a quarter inch, half inch, and the part on the bulb points down. And then slide the other part on without breaking the wire. Okay. Okay. So you can see the bulb works. Okay, so now let's do this side. I should have brought my tripod out. It makes it a lot easier. You can see there's the right there's the bulb. So first I'm gonna see if I can twist that. Twist it. Okay, it's going over to the twisting toward the passenger side. Just a half inch. Okay, so you can see the bulb coming out. There's other wires in the way. Okay. Okay, that other wire is in the way. Can't get at it. I want to press that little catch. Oh, geez. Probably have to take the battery out to get at it. Okay. Now we'll put this one in. Be a lot easier if you took the battery out. Okay, got it in there. And it goes in just a little to the left. Line up the holes and then give it a little twist. Okay, it's not straight. Okay. And I actually got them in there without breaking them.